Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw from SafePal to bank account. Let's get started. Begin by opening the SafePal app on your device. Once inside, tap on the swap or sell option depending on your needs. Select the fiat currency you would like, such as USD or EUR, then enter the amount you wish to convert and review both the exchange rate and the applicable fees. After confirming go ahead with the conversion and wait until you receive confirmation, a notification will appear indicating that your crypto has been successfully converted to fiat. Now return to your wallet overview and tap on the withdraw or send option from here. Choose bank transfer as your withdrawal method. Enter your bank details or select from one of your previously saved accounts. Specify the amount you want to withdraw and then confirm the transaction carefully. Review all the withdrawal details before moving forward. Once you are sure everything is correct, tap on Confirm. To begin the transfer, you may also need to verify using two-factor authentication for extra security. Once the process is complete, wait for a confirmation message and your bank should receive the funds within the usual processing time, which may vary depending on your region and banking provider, and that's it. By the way, if you're looking for a low-cost way to withdraw money directly into your bank account, I recommend Wise. It's what I personally use. Wise gives you the best exchange rates and lowest transfer fees, and you even get a free debit card. Right now, if you sign up using the link in the description, your first transfer, up to $800, is totally free. Creating an account only takes a few minutes and saves you money every time.